Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add Alpha network to Trust Wallet. So as you can see, this is the official website of Trust Wallet, and if you want to add Alpha Wallet, so what you can do is just go to the Google and search here Trust Wallet extension, and you will find the Chrome extension on your, here is the Trust Wallet extension. So open this one, and if you're on your mobile phone, so just open it on your mobile phone, log in with your account. And as you can see, I have already added the Trust Wallet extension, so make sure to add to Chrome, and you will be able to see the extension from here. And once you add it, simply just click on it and you will see this kind of interface. So make sure to just log in with your wallet. As you can see, if you have already a wallet, so just log in, and as say like I don't have a wallet, so just create a new wallet, and from here just set your password and confirm new password, and make sure to choose the right password. And once matched, click on agree and scroll down and click on next. And once you click on next, so that will leave you to the next interface. Let it load, and here you can see you can just share data or no thanks, that is your choice. Open wallet, and once you just log in with your account, so you will be able to see this kind of interface on the Trust Wallet. Or if you already have it, so simply click here and you will see this kind of interface. So once you're here, what you can do is just on the right side you will be able to see this section called search. So go to search and scroll down, and you might be able to see the Alpha. And let's say you do not find the Alpha, so what you can do is just search here Alpha. And once you search here Alpha, you will be able to see, as you can see, here is the Alpha network. Simply turn it on and go back, and from here you will be able to see the Alpha network into the Trust Wallet. So from here you can send, receive or swap, that is your choice. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can add Alpha network to Trust Wallet.